Don't do that. Don't do that.
I think this is probably one of my favorite things to have happened. Look at you guys. You're like the statues from Haunted Mansion. Big fan of this.
What is going on? What are you doing? You are so funny.
No, qué rico huele esto. Me lo voy a llevar, ¿sí? Mira. Luego te doy otro, tranquilo.
What is this? What are y'all doing? Are you serious? You couldn't get in it, so you...
Alright, it's a little weird. I'm here taking a poop, and I hear meow, meow, and look, inside the wall.
What kind of pretty eggs we have today. Well, you don't look like an egg.